Blue Dinosaur Bites multi-pack, $16.98. Grain-free, so I'm guessing, oh yeah, here we go. Gluten-free. Alright, good stuff for the kids. Lemon and macadamia, banana bread, and Leamington Bites. Natural Wellbeing Bars, 20 for $23.99. Gluten-free, it says down there. You can pause the video if you want to read all the good stuff it has in there. Wheat and gluten-free, $15.99. Little individually wrapped peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Gluten-free and dairy-free. No added sugar, 100% real fruit. 22 collector cards inside. Ooh. 22 twin packs. Great for the lunchbox, $17.99.